Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add your SNAP EBT card to DoorDash. While we're setting up your SNAP EBT card for DoorDash, did you know you can also use your SNAP EBT card on Amazon for groceries and other essentials? I've included a link in the description where you can sign up and start using it right away. To start, open the website DoorDash.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, enter your email and password. Then click on the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Account. A pop-up window will then appear. Under Account Settings, click on Payment. On this page, scroll down and you will see a section for program cards. Under Program Cards is an option that says Add SNAP/EBT card. Click on Add SNAP/EBT card. Now, enter your EBT card number on the field provided. After entering, click on the Save Card button. And now your card has been added. That's how you add your EBT card to Kroger. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.